In this video, I will show you how to sign into Netflix on any smart TV. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the Netflix app on your smart TV. Over here, I'm using an Android smart TV, but this should work for any smart TV you have. Now once it loads, you want to go ahead and click on the sign in button over here. So just scroll to the left hand side and then click on sign in. And at this point, you have two options to sign into the Netflix app on your smart TV. First is to basically scan the QR code over here with your mobile phone, and alternatively, you can use the remote control method. And I'm going to show you how to go about the both options. Now to sign in using your phone, what you want to do is to go ahead and open up the camera app, or you can just use the Google Lens app, which has the capability of scanning code. So just open up the Google Lens app, click on this camera over here, and then you want to place it on the QR code over here. And then you're going to see a link placed on top of the QR code. So you just want to go ahead and click on it. Just like so, this link will redirect you to the Netflix app on your phone. Now what you just want to do is to check if the code that is being displayed on your phone is actually the same as the one on the TV. Now if it is actually the same, what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on sign into TV, just like so, and then click on dismiss. And now your Netflix has been signed in on your TV. Alternatively, if you choose to sign in with your remote control, what you just want to do is to move over from use phone to use remote over here. So just scroll to the right hand side, and then what you just want to do is to go ahead and enter your Netflix email over here, and then you just want to scroll down and then click on next, and then go ahead and click on use password instead. And now you just want to go ahead and enter your Netflix password over here. And finally, once you're done entering your password and email, you want to go ahead and click on the next button over here. And now your Netflix account will be signed into your smart TV. That is basically how to sign into Netflix on your smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.